Hey there my friend, Will here over at FXAce.com. First a big welcome to the video. So as you can see from the headline, I'm sure you're very intrigued on how you can generate a massive, huge $21,758.12 trading Forex price action in the next 60 days or less. Now what they mean by that is, what I'm going to show you here is the profits I've actually been able to generate over the last, to be precise, 54 trading days trading Forex price action. So I'm going to show you my live account. I'm going to do something that no one else does. I'm going to show you inside my live account. I'm going to show you my actual trading results and show you the live account. No one else shows you inside their live account. They just show you screenshots, photoshopped, things like that there. I go to the next level. I actually show you inside the account to show you that I'm genuine and I actually do generate these types of profits trading Forex. Okay, so let's hide my face, and you can see here we've got it open. Now what I'm going to show you here is just what I go to custom period. I actually started trading this account, started trading for 2018 on February 13th, and go here, select OK. There we go. Okay, so you see the profit and loss, 21,758.12 cents of a 5k deposit, and I've withdrew 15,175 and got myself a nice, with the profits, a nice new Breitling watch. I actually absolutely love my watches and had to treat myself to a new one with this year's profits so far. Okay, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video, is how you can actually get these kind of results too, and treat yourself to Breitling watches, just traveling all over the world, living life on your own terms through your Forex trading profits. Okay, so back to the video, and just to show you that this is my live account. So accounts Fantasy FX, live 1, William Simpson. So both live accounts, my friend, and stats there, trading 21,000. So it's all in black and white, my friend. We're on the live accounts. I'm showing you inside the live accounts, but things that other people don't do. Sorry, them numbers don't want. Things that other people don't do. They don't show you the results. They don't actually show you the trades they're taking. They just, if you're in the Facebook group with me, you actually see the trades I take. You actually see the results I get week in, week out, generating, as you can see, $21,758.12 in the last 54 trading days. So how can you achieve these results similar to me? Now what I'm looking to do in 2018 is help 20 to 25 people. What I mean by helping is personally mentor, one-on-one coaching 20 to 25 serious traders who are looking to take their trading to the next level and who are willing to put in the commitment, time commitment, and the investment in becoming consistently successful traders. What I trade, the way I trade works, you can see the results I generate, and what I'm willing to do, my friend, in 2018 is help 20 to 25 people. Due to time commitments, I won't be able to teach anymore. So I'll personally mentor 20 to 25 people one-on-one via Skype coaching, and show you exactly step by step how to generate these awesome, fantastic results, turning 5k accounts into $21,000 account profits in less than 54 days. Now I do this regularly. If you follow me for any time now, you can see the results I post. I regularly flip accounts like that into this these kind of numbers. If you follow me on the website, the 1k to 10k challenge, which I've done in less than 5 weeks, I regularly do this. And 2018 I'm opening up the mentorship program, elite coaching program, to help you, the next 20 to 25 people who are serious, who are committed, and are willing to put in the effort to become consistently successful price action traders. I'm willing to work with you. So how do you sign up for the coaching program? Well, it is via a Skype call with me. As I said, I'm only looking for serious people. I'm not going to coach everyone. I'm only looking for people who are willing to put in the time commitment and the investment in becoming the best version of themselves, the best trader they can be. And that's it. So how do you qualify? You simply click the link below, fill in the quick survey, and I will add you on Skype, and then we'll take it from there. So I'm only looking for serious people who are looking to generate these kind of results, earning $21,758.12 in less than 60 days. Is it possible? It is possible, and with me coaching you, it is possible for you, my friend, also. So click the link below, fill in the quick survey, I'll add you on Skype, and we'll hop on a quick call and see if you qualify for the coaching. Okay, so I'll speak to you soon. Well over at fxace.com.